guys never see another one of our videos. I hope you guys will remember us.
Oh wait, we know where we are. We're right here. There's my house over there.
Let's go skip to your house.
I don't feel like skipping. Yay, so we just found our way out of the woods.
There's the woods.
There's the woods. This is so scary.
Oh my god.
I think I'm going to have a heart attack because it's so scary.
We have to make this video long. It's only 38 seconds.
Let's go play in the woods.
Let's go get lost again. I'm lost in the woods again. Nikki, where are you? Okay, you're right there. We're lost in the woods. There's Nikki's house.
There we are. Bye. Remember, don't get lost in the woods. It's not